Hello guys, welcome back. Here at Lane Trades, we share our trade ideas every day on Bitcoin and Forex pairs. So we start with the trade we took yesterday. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So we start with the trade we took yesterday, which was on CAD CHF, that's Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. So we have been looking since Friday last week. We've been looking on how to sell this pair, and we took it yesterday, and yeah, it was on profit. It was a very profitable trade yesterday. So let's get to the 15 minutes time frame. We have talked about how we got on the trade after we saw a break and retest of this level. We got on this trade here on Friday, and we remained on this because we got on it quite late on Friday. So we remained on it till yesterday, Monday, and then, we took our profit somewhere here. Although formally, we were expecting that the trade gets to this psychological level here and then begin to make a new loop, but then that didn't happen. But when we saw this movement right here, this movement here wasn't a very clear one. So it was giving a vibe of a rejection or reaction that will lead to a change of trend. So we just took our profit here for about 15 pips and we left the market, and we continue to look at what the market has. So that was it. And then today we are seeing it coming down again. But then basically, I think the reason for all this is tomorrow being Wednesday, we'll be having PMIs coming from Europe, coming from Canada, coming from the United States, and then the UK as well. So because of these PMIs that will be coming, that is why all the charts, most of the charts, the Euro pairs, the US pairs, the Canadian pairs, the Canadian dollar pairs, all of them are in a kind of range. They are not making very clear movement as to know what how to trade them. But we understand that all this as a result because of the range is happening because the PMIs are coming very soon. So it is very much expected that the market should range. Then the news will give a definite movement to the market. You're looking at the likes of the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the Eurocad, and all that. You understand that all of them are in a kind of a range. They're not making a very clear movement, no very clear movement to know how to trade them. But then it is expected because that is how it happens anytime such very huge news is coming. So the market will have to range for a while before it continues. So we are still here looking at this pair, and then but then for today, the pairs I'll be looking at are basically the Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, because this is the only pair that is still, giving a clear movement, so to say. It is on a downtrend, and the downtrend, has continued. So, and this is it right here. This is on the 1-day chart. We got this very bearish candle yesterday, and this morning again, we've started seeing this as well, moving to the downside. So that is the only pair I'll be looking at today, with the Eurocad. Yeah, Eurocad. I'll be looking at that as well. So we'll look at the reasons I'm looking at this. So, this has been on a downtrend. Yeah, on a downtrend. So, and I've been looking at it. So today, what I'm expecting basically is I'm expecting this pair to move a little bit up, like a form of a retracement, maybe when the London section opens soonest, maybe in the next 2 hours, the London section will be open. So I'm expecting a very slow movement, maybe a slight, movement to this point. Then I will enter here, and then I'll be risking about 15 pips. Yes, about 15 pips. I'll put my stop here. That's about 15 pips. So, and then hope that this comes all the way down here. So whatever happens, I'll put it on our Telegram channel in case you would want to join us on the trade. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. What we do here basically is to share our trade ideas every day, and these ideas are coming from people who have 5 to 6 years experience on the forex market. So the next one we are looking at is basically, so this is very simple here. You know, the market had reacted. Why we want to take this trade is it had reacted here, and eventually it crossed. So I'm basically waiting for a retest. That is the only reason we are taking this trade. So it's as simple as that, you know, very simple as that. So that is why we are interested on this pair. Then another one we are interested on is the Eurocad. Let's see why we are interested on this pair. So let's start from the day chart and see what is happening. So this pair, as we can see, is in an uptrend, just as every other pair, as you can see, in a very clear uptrend. And then yesterday we got this very bullish candle here, and today we've seen this little one forming right there. So we go to the 15 minutes time frame to see how I'm hoping to, you know, get on this trade. So yeah, so basically we can see the trend is so clear on the 15 minutes time frame, very clear trend right here. Okay, I think, oh, well, I think the trade, as a matter of fact, is ripe enough to get on it. So maybe you get on it here, maybe we get on it at this point, and then we risk about, let's say 15 pips, or 10 rather, yeah. Let's get into this risk about 10 pips and see how it goes. Although formally, I was expecting that this comes all the way down. I was expecting it to maybe come all the way down to here and then react, because it had reacted here, you know, then I'm expecting it to react here again so that we get on it. But then let me keep looking at the chart and see if that will be possible, if there will be a possibility of this pair coming all the way down to this point, because that would be the best place to take a buy, because you can see it had reacted here 1, then reacted here 2, then reacted here 3. You can see it, reaction, you can see it here. Got a reaction here, then got a reaction here. So, and then this as well. So, but then let's see how it goes. Maybe if everything should work out well, I might want to, you know, get on it here, and then from there, just to follow this trend, line here. Nothing again. Just as I said, today is not a very, you know, prospective day to trade. You know, there is no news today. It's just a very calm day. So we just be looking at the trade, maybe looking at the chart, sorry. So maybe what we'll be doing today basically will be a kind of, you know, scalping. Let's see how it goes. Maybe, so that's it for Eurocad. So the only reason I intended to take it from it, to take the buy from this point. And then let's see, or if I'm not able to take it from that point, maybe we look at this point right here. Look at this point right here. But then whatever happens, you will get the real trade from the Telegram channel, but I will still keep an eye on this pair. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. We share our trade ideas every day on Bitcoin and Forex pairs. And these are coming from traders who have experienced the market for 5 to 6 years. So let's move over to Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, we start from the 4 hours time frame. So Bitcoin has been on an uptrend. We see that, yeah, and we are looking forward to this trend to continue to the upside. And that's why we've marked out this area right here. Yeah, we have this area right here. And the market had reacted here, then crossed, then came down to react again, and then we got this, reaction here again. So today, we're expecting this market to come in here, then before we get a definitive movement to the upside again. So that is what we are looking at for Bitcoin. So I'm expecting that this bullish trend on Bitcoin this time is going to continue till it gets to about, I had said 70,000, and I'm very sure it's getting to 70,000 very soon, maybe after the PMIs tomorrow or whatever happens tomorrow. Yeah, because the PMI will have some effect on Bitcoin as well, based on it pairing with the US dollar. So that is it for today. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so that anytime we drop a video, you can jump on it and take advantage of it. Thank you, and do have a great day.